Here we're going to join two of the files in the project. So first of all, we're going to just take a quick look at the files we're joining. We're going to be joining account and opportunity. So let's get into the account file. We see that the account file is actually quite wide with 291 columns, many more than we need to deal with. So first of all, we're going to filter these files. So select none, remove all the columns to begin with, and now just scroll down and select the columns that we're most interested in. So we'll pick up the city and the country, and we'll see a few more columns here that we want to select. And as we click them, they start to appear in the file display. Now we have all the columns, remove the filter dialog, and what we want to do now is create a copy of the file with only the columns that we have selected. So we'll call it account slice, and we'll copy that to the current project, and we'll see that new file has been created. So now let's go in and do the same thing with the opportunities file. We can see that this file is 201 columns, again too many. So we're just going to filter this down. We can pick out the account ID, which is what we're going to do the join on, and then we'll pick a number of other fields as well. Also, we only want to select a certain number of the rows. So we're going to run a filter on those, and we're only going to select the opportunities that have been closed won and closed lost. So we'll bring those in, and we'll now apply the filter. As you can see now, we've got fewer rows there, so we're going to create a copy of this one as well, with only the columns selected, but also we will apply the filters too. So now we can see the opportunity slice has been created. We close those other files, and we're going to go into the join dialog. So we can select our left file, which is going to be the opportunity file that we've just created, and we'll pick the key that we want to join on. So we want to join to the account file, so we're going to select the account ID. And we want to do a left join, so we'll select that. And we're going to go off and select the right-hand file, which is going to be the account slice table that we've just created, and we'll select the key, which is the ID. So that should join quite nicely, and we're going to give it a new name, opportunity account. Seems sensible. And we're going to create the joined file. So that's been created and merged. So we can see that all columns have been prefixed with the source file, so we know where they came from. Just going to open that up and inspect it. Let's close this dialog down, and let's see the new file that we've created, which is the file of the opportunity joined with account.